The question for today is, do you think you can outsell a robot? Okay, you probably can. And I want to be very clear about a couple things. I do not think that robots or machines or kiosks are going to overtake what advisors do, nowhere in the near future. But there are kiosks out there. There's a picture of one. They're honestly kind of glorified key drops. You know, my understanding of the way they're working, we do need to get an advisor involved in that at some point. But you guys know how fast technology is expanding. It's only a matter of time before they can do more stuff. You know, they can decipher an electronic multi-point inspection and communicate it to a customer. To be honest, that's why I'm worried about them outselling you guys. Now, here's what worries me about the robot selling scenario. That robot is going to decipher the multi-point inspection, and it's going to find the things in there in red. And it's going to say, this needs to be done today because it's a safety issue or drivability issue. Here's the cost, and here's when we can have it done. Here's what it's not going to do. Man, that's a lot of money. I'm not really sure if they're going to spend this. I recommended an air filter to these people last time they were here, and they about ripped my head off. I am not going to... You get where I'm going with this. The other thing they're going to do is when the customer tells them no, there's going to be an algorithm to figure out, time, trust, or money. That's the only three reasons they say no. It's going to figure out how to delineate between those. If it's money, they're going to ask them about Sunbit, Dignify, whatever the finance or payment options that are available. And it's just going to do what we're asking you guys to do. My point is, if you don't want Max Headroom taking your job, here's what you do when the stuff comes up to sell. Just sell it. Take the emotion out of the way. Tell them the facts. Again, we do very high information, very low pressure. We show them the car. We walk them out there. We send a video. We let them taste the coolant if they want to, for crying out loud. And then all we want to ask them is, do you want us to take care of that? If it's a safety issue and they say no, we're going after them again. We're going to talk about that on another video. But guys, follow the process. Do not let a robot take your job.